Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. So students, we will be starting with the next subtopic that is called as division from lesson number 4, multiplication and division. We are going to study for maths lesson number 4, multiplication and division, textbook page number 18. We have already completed the factor multiplication. Today we are going to start with division, the signing of division. What is a division? Division means making equal parts or repeated subtraction. We get two divisions from one multiplication. For example, 54 divided by 6, we get the answer 9, and 54 divided by 9, we get the answer as 6. Both the ways we get the answer, either divided by 9 we get the answer as 6, if divided by 6 we get the answer as 9. Now let's do some few examples which is already given in the textbook. Okay, students, we are going to start with the example which is given in the textbook page number 18. So let's see the first example which is given in the textbook, and we are going to solve it over here before solving the problem set number 15. Now here they have given the example as 4254 divided by 25. Now as I have previously told you that in your classwork book or in your rough book, you have to always make a rough side. Rough side means you have to write down the tables. Now this is the last step. We have done with addition, we have done with subtraction, we have done with multiplication, and now we are going to do the last step, that is called as division. Now division, how to do it? First, before that, for division it is necessary to learn your tables. Up to 40 or 50 it is compulsory to learn your tables or by heart your tables. Now multiplication signature, from while multiplying we have added. Now in division we have to subtract. Now for that, what we are going to do, we have different steps for divisions. First one is called as, now in division we have this 4 steps. First one is called as dividend, second one is called as divisor, third one is called as quotient, and fourth one is called as remainder. Now let's see with these 4 steps how to divide 4254 divided by 25. So while writing, how are we going to write it up? Just pay attention. First of all, we are going to write the table of 25. As you can see it, to the right hand side of the blackboard, I have written the 25 table. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 25 sixes are 150, 25 sevens are 175, 25 eights are 200, 25 nines are 225, and 25 tens is 250. Now first of all, we are going to do the first step of division. So while doing division, first we are going to draw one line to show the division part. That is 4254 divided by 25. Now if you remember, I have told you about the 4 steps. That 4 steps, after the end of the answer, I will be telling you what is called as dividend, what is called as divisor, what is called as quotient, and what is called as remainder. So first we 4254 divided by 25. Now as you can see, first we are going to start it from the left hand side, not from the right hand side. First we are going to start from the left hand side. If you see, 25 is bigger number and 4 is a smaller number. So at that time what we have to do is we have to write 25 zeros are 0, and we have to give the minus sign, that is subtraction sign. And we are going to draw a line. 4 minus 0, answer will come as 4. Now we have to take the next number, that is 2. or you can draw an arrow and you can enter the number as 2. But if you see it very properly, 25 twos is 50, right? So 50 is a bigger number and 42 is a smaller number. So at that time, which multiplication we have to do? We have to do 25 ones are minus 25. This minus sign is compulsory. Now when we have to subtract 42 minus 25, here carry forwards, nothing has to be done. This has to be done directly or mentally. 42 minus 25, answer will come as 17, right? Now we have to take the next number, that is 5. We have to draw an arrow and write the number 5. If you can see it very clearly over here, we got the answer perfectly as 25 sevens is 175. So we have to write number 7 here and minus sign with 175. And then we have to write 0, 0, 0. You know why this 0 is there? Because 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now the next number is number 4. Again draw a line, write number 4. 4 is a single digit number. So again we have to multiply by 0. For 25, zeros are 0 and we get the final answer, that is 4. You know why this 4? Because we do not have any other number here. Now I am going to teach you the next step of the division, that is the 4 steps. If you remember, these 4 steps I have written it. Which 4 steps? That is dividend, divisor and quotient, remainder. Now here we have to come to know what is called as dividend, what is called as divisor, what is called as quotient and what is called as the remainder. Let's see. Now students, see here. This upper part is called as quotient. This one is called as dividend. This one 25 is called as divisor. And the final answer what we have got is called as remainder. Purposely I have used different chalks to make it very clear. What was the question? The question was 4254 divided by 25. This 4254 is called as the dividend. This 25 is called as the divisor. Okay, and this one we have multiplied and we have got the answer, this which is called as quotient, and the final answer is called as the remainder. Now I hope so students, you have understood the first step properly. This is going to help out for the division. Students, let's start with the next solution. Now students, let's do the example number 2. 9783 divided by 32. Let's start doing the division. How are we going to start is, first of all, we are going to do the rough column in the right hand side, writing the 32 table. Why the 32 table? Because 9783 divided by 32. So let's start. We have to first do this division sign. 9783 divided by 32. Now as we know, what is this part of the division called? It is called as dividend, and 32 is called as the divisor. So it is necessary first of all to write the 32 table. As you can see, 9 is the smaller number and 32 is the bigger number. So what we are going to do? We are going to do 32 zeros are 0, and we have to do which signature? Which sign? Minus sign. These signs are very important, everyone. Then we have to draw a line, and 9 minus 0, answer will come as 9. Now we have to take the next number. Next number is number 7. So we have to draw an arrow and we have to write 7. And we have to check it out, 97 or below 97, any numbers are there or what in 32 table. As you can see it over here in the rough work, 32 threes is 96. So we have got less number by 97. So we have to multiply 32 threes where you are going to write 3 above 7 and you are going to write over here 96. Which sign? Minus sign. Then again you have to write the answer. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now we have to take the next number, which is number 8. And we are going to draw an arrow, write the number 8. 32 is a bigger number, 18 is the smaller number. At that time what we have to do is 32 zeros answer will come as 0 and we will get the answer as 18. And then we are going to write the next number, that is number 3. We have to mention it over here as 3. And while mentioning, we have to check it out in the 32 table, 180 through 83 से छोटा कोई number है क्या? Any smaller number than 183. And we can find it over here is 32 5 is 160. So what we are going to write? We are going to write as 32 5 160. And we get the last final answer. 3 minus 0 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have got the last answer as 23. So now students, you have to tell me that what is this part called? This part is called as dividend. Am I right? This part is called as dividend. What is this part called? This is called as divisor. This is called as divisor. And what is this part called? This is called as remainder. And last we'll get the answer. This part is called as quotient. Let's solve the third example. Okay students, let's see the third example, which is 9842 divided by 45. As you can see it, rough work. In the rough column I have written 45 table, 45 ones are 45 till 45 tens are 450. It is necessary to write the tables because that makes sure that we don't commit or we don't make any mistakes. Now let's start with the procedure of division. So let's start student. 9842, we will be writing here 9842 divided by 45. As you can see, 9 is the smaller number, 45 is the bigger number. So what are we going to do? 45 zeros answer will come as 0 with sign? Minus sign, and then we will get the answer 9 minus 0 is 9. Now we have to take the next number, which is 8. So we will be drawing an arrow and here we will be writing as 8. Now let's see in 45 table 98 से छोटा कोई number है क्या? We will just have a look. 98, below 98 any low number is there or what? So 45 twos is 90. So what here we will be writing? 45 twos is 90. Minus sign again, then we have to find out the answer. 8 minus 0 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0. Now we have to take the next number, that is 4. We have to draw an arrow and write over here 4. As you can see, 45 twos is 90 and 84 is a smaller number than 90. So what number we are going to write? We are going to write number 1. Multiply by 1. 45 ones are 45. And we have to minus 84 minus 45 directly. So 84 minus 45, we get the answer as 39. Now let's see the next number which we are going to pull down or which we are going to write down, that is number 2. We have to check it out. 392 lesser number are there in 45 table. So we can find it out. The answer is 45 8s is 360. So we will be writing 45 8s 360. And we will get the last answer. What will be the last answer? 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now you will be knowing that this is called as divisor, this is called as dividend, this is called as quotient, and this is called as remainder. Let's do some 2 more extra problem solution. Okay students, let's start with the next example. As you can see it on the blackboard, this example is written as 7439 divided by 9. So we will be first doing, we'll draw a line. We will write the dividend, that is 7439 divided by 9. This 9 is called as divisor and this part is called as dividend. Now 7, as we know, this is the smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. So we will be writing 9 zeros are 0 with a minus sign, and then we are going to subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now we will see, as you can see it over there, I have written to the right hand side the table of 9. Now we are going to take it down 4 with an arrow and we will be writing 74. Now I know students, you are very much aware of the 9 table. So 9 8s is 72. So we will be writing 9 8s 72 minus, and then we will find out the answer. 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0. The next number we will be writing down with an arrow, that is number 3. Now we know that 9 2s is 18 and 23 can get minused with 18. So we will be writing 9 2s 18 minus. Okay, this can be done mentally directly. 23 minus 18 is 5. Right? Now the next number we are going to take it as 9. 59. Now we know that 9 6 is 54. 9 6 54. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we know that this is called as remainder, this is called as quotient, this is called as divisor, and the last important part, this is called as dividend. Right everyone, we are just going to solve examples about division. Now when we are going to actually start with problem set number 15, there is no need of writing quotient, remainder, dividend, divisor unless they are going to ask us. Let's do one last solver and then we are going to proceed with problem set number 15, which is on page number 19. Now students, we are going to do the example number 5, the last example, that is 68,206 divided by 19. Now if you can see it over here on the blackboard, 68,206 is a 5-digit number and 19 is a 2-digit number. Previously in all the other 4 examples we have done only 4 digits number. This time the last example, this is little bit difficult, that is why I have put it on the last, so that it becomes no confusion for you. Let's start with division. We are first going to write 68,206 divided by 19. Now we know that 68,206, this is called as dividend, and 19 is called as a divisor. As you can see it on the right hand side, I have already written 19 table. You have to learn all the tables, it is very necessary. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114, 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 152, 19 nines are 171, and 19 tens are 119. Now as you can see, 6 is a smaller digit number and 19 is a bigger digit number. So 19 zeros are, answer will come as 0. So before that we have to do this minus and then we are going to write 19 zeros are 0. So we are going to do this minus sign and 6 minus 0, answer will come as 6. Now we are going to take the next number, that is number 8, 68. Now less than 68, we have to check in 19 table any number which is less than 68 or near to 68. As we can see, 19 threes is 57 and 19 fours is 76. 76 is a higher number, bigger number, and 19 threes are 57 is a smaller number. So we are going to write 19 threes are, above 8 only you have to write. 19 threes are is 57 and we are going to minus. Now this you have to do it mentally only. We know the answer, it will come as 11. Now we are going to take the next number, that is 2. Okay, now 112 we have to see less than 112 any numbers are there or what. Now 19 5 is 95, 19 6 is 114. So 114 will be a bigger number. So we are going to write 19 above 2 5s is 95 and we have to minus. Now 112 minus 95, this we have to do the calculation mentally. So it will come as 17. Now you have to take down the next number, that is 0. So 170 we have to find less number. 19 nines is 171 and 19 eights is 152. So we will be writing 19 eights is 152 and we are going to minus that. So it will come as 12. Now we are going to do the next number. We are going to take the next number, that is 6. 126. Now 19 sevens is 133 and 19 sixes is 114. So we will be writing above this 6 only. 19 sixes minus 114. So 126 minus 114, we will find out, will come as 12. Now this is the final answer. Now students, as you know it, I will be writing it. This is called as reminder, this is called as quotient, this is called as divisor, and this is called as dividend. We are going to start with problem set number 15. So students, in the next video, I will be uploading problem set number 15 for division as subtopic, and we will be solving all those sums with the word problems. Till then, thank you everyone.